If you're looking for a way to earn extra money with passive income, I have a course on my website called Passive Profit Course. It is a 2-hour course that helps you fully understand from start to finish how to start a pre-made website business and get that extra money, honey, okay? It'll be linked down below. Alright, so we're gonna go to Canva, and the dimensions that I use are 1080 by 1920 or 9 by 16, like your phone background, the typical phone background, should I say. So what I'm gonna do first is actually design the card. So I've shown in other videos how you can create a link, and this page you will have links on it as well, because this will be where you'll be directing people and they'll be able to click links and all that good stuff, okay? But before we jump ahead too far and I confuse you, I'm about to show you a little trick of how you can do like the little pop out thing on Canva. So first what you're gonna do is take the picture and that you want to use and remove the background. So bada bing bada boom, that's number one. Then what you're gonna do is you're going to, of course, go over to elements and you're gonna get the circle frame. So boom, got the circle frame. Then we're gonna get another circle because that's gonna be the background, and you're gonna see why in a second. So we just make it big. You don't have to necessarily make it big or whatever. Like, I'm just doing it for video purposes because I really want y'all to see what I'm doing. And then boom, so you match them up and make them the same size. So automatically, of course, y'all know how Canva is, that picture is gonna snap right into it. So what you do is double click the picture, and when it pops up, slide it up or just adjust it to however you want. Like, you don't have to necessarily listen to me, but once you adjust it, lock that frame. Once you lock the frame, you're gonna take the same picture, cut the background out again, and literally line it up. Once you do that, you just kind of move it up like I did right there, unlock the frame, and then group it all together so that way like it doesn't like start snapping into each other and doing all that weird stuff. And that's it. That's how you do a little pop out trick on Canva, okay? So after that, you're just gonna see me designing the I almost said digital business card again. You're gonna see me designing the card now. I'm not gonna lie, I didn't really have a direction for this at first, but then when I saw the orange and the purple combo, I was like, ooh, chef's kiss. I was like, I can't not do this. Like, I cannot not. So that's kind of how that came. And then like, you see that the pink? Oh, I'm gonna have to use this color combo again. Like, seriously, it's so cute. But anyways, this is where basically you'll be directing people with the QR code, okay? And so you want to make sure it's cute. Like, if you follow me on Instagram, y'all remember when I went to Dreamville and I was like, oh, gotta stay ready, you know, so you gotta get ready, and I had made one of these for myself just in case. And everything is clickable. Like, I have my name, I have like what I do, and everything is clickable along with my contact information. That was the only thing I couldn't figure out. So I'm not gonna lie, I don't know how to set it up where they could click on your email and it directly, like, it just automatically opens up an email, like kind of like on like how it does on Instagram. But I'm gonna figure it out. When I figure it out, trust me, y'all will know as well. But yeah, so pretty much here I'm just designing a card, and I made up some fake lady. I made her a social media manager. I think that's the funniest part about like designing or being a designer, is like you can just make stuff up, and like in your own world, it's like, it is real though, you know? Like, Alicia Jones exists in my world. She is a social media manager. She's the best. Bada bing, bada boom. I would say hire her, but you know. So yeah. So you see how her head is like popping up above the photo. And you can also do this with any other shape. Like, it doesn't necessarily have to be a circle. I just wanted a circle for video purposes. But yeah, take that little trick and have fun with it. It's honestly one of my favorite things to do in Canva. So yeah. So I'm just making like a fake link so that way when I show y'all the demonstration about how this works, y'all will see that this is the new wave. Like y'all need to get on this. I don't care what you do. You need to have yourself a digital business card. Like, listen, it's gonna be so clutch. All they gotta do is scan, click, boom, boom, boom. Everything is literally right there, or it will be right there for them. So here I'm just doing Instagram, TikTok, Pinterest, and a price list. Because you know how some people, they have like a PDF as their price list, and a PDF has a link. So you can always link that as well. You know, don't feel like you have to necessarily do it this way, okay? Listen to me closely. You do not have to do it exactly like this. You can have fun with it. You don't have to put a picture up there. You don't have to, put TikTok, whatever. Just do what works for you, okay? But there, that was country there. Ooh. But there, I'm putting like a small, like that's where a little bio would go. Like I didn't really have anything in mind. So I was like, whatever, bro. This is just for a video. But y'all get the point. You put a quick little blurb right there, like how my name is Alicia Jones. I've been a social media manager for 4 years, and I'm ready to, get your business booming. Period. So then we're gonna go back to the Canva homepage, and we're gonna do the same exact dimensions for a new design. Do not put these designs together. It will not work. Okay? Do not do that. Okay? I cannot stress that enough. These are 2 separate designs, and you will see why very soon. So I'm changing the background to purple, blah, blah, blah. Like I'm pretty much just going to have it look exactly like the background, at least look exactly like the background to the other design. That's pretty much what's going on here. I also made this video slow too. Like not slow, I didn't make it slow, but like I tried to keep it slow because someone said my videos are too fast. And it didn't necessarily hurt my feelings, but I just wanted to make sure that y'all get what y'all want. So let me know if y'all like my slower videos, or if y'all like when I'm like doing them super fast or whatever. I don't know. Y'all really gotta let me know, because honestly, I don't know. If you leave it up to me, I'll make the video like 8 minutes and keep it moving, because that's just how I am. And that's something else too. Make sure y'all locking out stuff when it comes to Canva. It's a little bit easier to work when you lock certain things. So I'll lock my whole background, because if you don't and you try to select something, it'll select everything. Now your design moving all over the place. Anybody has time for that? Nobody has time for that. So use that lock feature. It will be your best friend. And in general, if you don't want something to move or like you want it to just stay in general, lock it. So here I'm just doing like Alicia Jones social media manager, like kind of like a little border. I don't know, I thought it was cute. So y'all let me know if y'all think it's cute too. But I thought it was cute, or it would be cute. Like if this was like, if I was doing this for somebody for real, I feel like that would be a cute little add-on. Okay, so now that we have the border and everything all in order, now to the fun part. Okay, so at first what I did was I typed in my website, because I wanted to like show that oh, it works, it goes to my website, blah blah blah. But I was like, wait, that defeats the purpose. That's really dumb. So you're gonna see me do this here, and then the QR code is gonna pop up, but I'm gonna change it And I'll explain that in a second. But pretty much that's what you do. You click more and you go to QR code, you put in the link, and it will generate one for you. So what I like to do is use one of those rounder squares and put it behind the QR code just to, I don't know, just make it look cute. Okay, I'm not gonna lie, like there's no deep rooted purpose. It just makes it look cute. It makes it look organized and together. So now what I'm doing is I'm putting a little thing, because y'all know we gotta have the call to action. We gotta have the call to action, because somebody may see it and just be like, okay, but you put that call to action, scan me, people are gonna want to scan it. Like, that's just how the brain works. I don't know, it's really weird. So I'm doing a little scan me here, and I actually have this as my background. You'll see later in the video, but I have it in my background. That's my phone, screensaver, whatever, and it actually says scan me. So I thought I would use it for this video as well, because I thought it was a really cute concept to be like, scan me. Like, you know what, I think I just might, and also you could just show somebody your phone. They'll be like, oh, you have a business card or whatever, and you just click your phone, boom, little screensaver, and it's like, scan me. They already know what time it is. So I'm just adjusting the borders, because y'all know how it is. When you're a designer, you're never really done designing. You have to stop yourself at some point, because you're gonna always either think of new ideas or be like, I think I don't like the way that looks. I'm gonna just it's frustrating. So that's all that was. But I'm just putting the skin me there, making it real cute. Something about really bold text. I love a good thick text. I don't know. I'm trying to stop. I'm trying to get out of that, but So I'm just selecting all of it and putting it in the middle, so it'll be even. So then once I realized, hey, I did it wrong, I was like, I need to do it right. So basically you're going to click share and view only link. That's what you're going to want to click when it comes to this right here, your digital business card, so the QR code can work. So we're going to take that same link, go to the same place we just left with the QR code, put that link in, generate the code, bada bing, bada boom. Save it, put it as your phone background, boom. That's all you have to do. You do not have to do anything else, right? So I'm going to show you exactly how it works using my phone. So I have the digital business card on my laptop background. As y'all can see, I have mine right there. Boom. Open up my camera. Of course, scan. Team Android, where my Android is at. Whoop, whoop. Scan it, tap it, boom. Then they can make it full page, whatever. So then I'm going to click the official website so y'all can see that the links will work in this design as well. Even though the website I typed in was not real. Y'all get the gist. It works, okay? So if you make a digital business card, hit me up, let me know, send it to me in the DMs. All right, until next time, bye.
I'm leaving here with something. You know what I mean? I'm from around the way. I'm leaving with something.